everybody, my name is Tyler, aka TJ Gaming. The last time I tried to do a bounce off my knees and do a front flip and tried to land it. The last one, I kind of landed it, but I fell backwards, so let's try it again, shall we? And remember to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. And here we go. Oh!
And he landed it.
So now you have to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video.